difficult, guys. It's really difficult. Whenever I meet someone, they're like, "Oh, आप तो इतनी पतली हैं." What? Who says that? Who says? Everyone, whoever meets me, says, "आप तो टीवी पे बहुत मोटी लगती हैं, असली में बहुत पतली हैं." मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई टीवी पे मोटा लगता है और असली में पतला हो? नहीं, right?
No, they say the camera adds 10 pounds, but it doesn't really like add that much.
Yeah, so you know they've seen my old projects when I was fat,
Yeah.
and now I'm skinny, but they think that I was looking fat on screen, but I look like this in real life. So I was 14 when I started working properly, and जब तक मैं काम करती गई तब तक obviously I was just 16, 17 and I had so much money I didn't know what to do. I used to just eat. I used to eat my money. So simple.
So yeah, so much money. खाती गई.
Honestly, क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे, मैं छोटी थी और मेरे पास पैसे आ जाते थे, और वैसे तो मैं मामा पापा को दे देती थी, लेकिन वो लोग भी तो मुझे कुछ देते थे ना उसके बाद. फिर मैं और मेरा भाई who's almost my age, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता था. हम रात को बस मूवी देखते थे और मंचिंग करते थे. पूरी रात हम बस खाने ऑर्डर करते थे और हम अपने दोस्तों को बुलाते थे और हम बस खाना खाते थे. And I was fat तब. उसके बाद obviously I started growing up and I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. I can eat or work.
Yeah.
And then I did a film actually, which was Actor-in-Law, and I saw myself on the big screen for the first time ever, and I was fat. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I was having popcorns, and I was like, नहीं, या ये या वो. मैंने popcorn नहीं चलेंगे, मैं अब कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी. और फिर मैं diet पे चली गई. Then I started swimming because I can't work out. I'm lazy like that. But I love playing in water, so I went swimming and I went on a diet. And I lost all the weight, and then I saw all those videos, those scary videos. They haunt me at night.
I mean, like nose job, like cheek कटवा दी अपनी, हड्डियाँ निकलवा दी हैं, मुंह से इतना पतला हो गया.
And whatever picture I post, whatever I write in the caption, they're just like, "You lost weight? You lost weight? Tell me about your weight loss journey." Everyone just wants to know how to lose weight. Stop eating. You'll lose weight. It's so simple.
Don't stop eating.
No.
Like, eat right.
Yeah, eat right.
right.
So what they do is they eat and they eat everything, and then they're like, we're not losing weight.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to just eat everything and then expect your weight to just go away. You have to eat the right vegetables. You have to steam your food. Don't put a lot of mirchi in it, and don't have a lot of cheese. Or
Cheese? Do you really like a lot of cheese?
I love cheese.
Don't have a lot of cheese. You like cheese.
I love cheese. So that's what I did.
Mouse, you have no more cheese.
Because that's what I did. When I was losing weight, I had to cut off cheese and fizzy drinks and all the chips that I used to eat. I miss them. But now that I've lost all the weight, I eat everything. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Everything in moderation, I think it works.
Yeah.
It works.
Absolutely.
Yeah.